So you want to get your business onto WhatsApp. It's a huge opportunity, right? Okay, let's jump right in. I mean, this is the big question, isn't it? You've got this massive global audience, over 2 billion people, all in one place. But how do you actually reach them without getting totally lost in the technical weeds of the official API? There's a clear path right through the middle of that maze. That's what we're looking at here. It's a tool from Zestwings that basically embeds the entire sign-up process into one single smooth flow. So our journey starts with phase 1, connecting with Meta. This is the first and maybe most important step. It's all about creating that secure, official link between your business and the whole Meta ecosystem, which, owns WhatsApp. The whole thing kicks off right here on the Zestwings portal with just one simple click. You see that login with Facebook button? That's your starting line. That single click authenticates you and sets this whole guided journey in motion. Okay, but before you click anything, listen up, because this is a pro tip that will save you so much trouble. First, obviously, use a real active Facebook account. But second, and I cannot stress this enough, you have to allow pop-ups in your browser. The whole process relies on it, and if you haven't blocked, everything will just grind to a halt. Seriously, check that setting first. All right, so you've made that initial connection. Now we're moving on to phase 2, creating your business identity. This is where you actually build your brand's home inside of Meta's system. This phase really boils down to 2 key things. First, we're going to create your business portfolio and your actual WhatsApp account. And then second, we'll add and verify the phone number you're going to use. Let's tackle them one by one. So this screen is where you lay the foundation. Think of the business portfolio as like the main folder for your company inside Meta. And then the WhatsApp business account is the specific profile that's going to live inside that folder. Now, you really need to pay close attention right here, because this part is critical. The details you enter, your business name, address, all of it, have to be an exact match to your official company documents. And I mean exact. Why? Because Meta is going to verify all this later on, and even a tiny little typo can bring the whole process to a screeching halt. Okay, once your business portfolio is created, the system asks for the star of the show, your phone number. This is the number that your customers are actually going to see and message. So you just pop it in here, and then you choose if you want your verification code sent by text or a quick phone call. Well, hold on, because there are some really strict rules about this phone number, and they are not kidding around. Of course, it has to be a real number you can access, but here's the big one. It absolutely cannot be currently active on the regular WhatsApp app, or even the free WhatsApp Business app. If it is, you have to completely delete that account before you can even think about using it here. All right, your accounts are created, your number is verified, we are officially in the home stretch. This is phase 3, the final handshake. It's where all the different pieces we just set up officially connect to each other. Now, this next screen might look a little technical, but don't let it worry you. This is really just about transparency. Meta is showing you exactly what permissions you're giving to Zestwings so they can manage the account for you. All you have to do is hit confirm to approve that connection. And when you click that, you'll see this loading screen. This is the magic happening behind the scenes. Right now, Meta's system and Zestwings' system are talking to each other, sharing the right info and linking everything up. It's the digital handshake happening in real time. And here's what that handshake looks like in action. On the left, you see the final confirmation pop up for Meta. You just click finish, and then boom, you are seamlessly, automatically whisked right back over to the Zestwings platform on the right to wrap up the last little bits. And this is it, the very last thing you have to do. It's the Zestwings registration form. You'll just fill out your basic contact info, create a username and password so you can log into their platform, and importantly, set your local time zone. Just a couple of quick tips for this form. You'll notice your business name and your Meta Business ID are already filled in for you. That's a great sign that the connection worked perfectly. Once you fill out that form and click register, you can take a deep breath because your work is officially done. At this point, you've handled everything on your end, and the process is now handed off to the Zestwings team for the final activation. The Zestwings team basically takes the baton from here. They're handling the final setup on their end, getting your billing configured, and they'll guide you through that official Meta business verification we talked about earlier. The whole thing usually gets wrapped up within about 24 hours. And this quote from the guide really says it all, right? Once everything is verified and fully activated, the Zestwings team will help you add some credit to your account, and just like that, you are ready to start talking to your customers on the biggest messaging platform in the world.